Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over how to put Bjorn on the Hak5 Pager using Parrot OS, because apparently there's been some people having some issues while using Linux. But before we do that, let's send a huge shout out over to Brainphreak and over to Zombie Joe, because without them, this project wouldn't be possible. Alright, so if we go to Google and then we type in Bjorn page report and click on the GitHub, we can see that the project has now been renamed Loki. And that's because it's been completely transformed. It's packed with so many features now. So if we scroll back up and then we click on code and then download the zip, you want to save it into your downloads folder. Go to your downloads folder, wait for it to finish. And then you want to right click and extract it here. Open the folder, and then you want to copy the path name. Open our terminal, and then CD, and then paste the directory that we just copied. And then you want to go all the way down to right before downloads and erase everything up into CD, and then click enter. And now we're going to plug in our pager, log into our virtual pager, then we're going to go back over to GitHub, and then we're going to scroll all the way down, and then we're going to copy the installation command. Then we want to head over to our terminal and then paste it there. Then go back and erase the arrow all the way up to the @ and then we want to copy the IP to our virtual pager, leaving out the 1471. Copy that and then paste it after the @ symbol. Then push enter, and we want to enter our password that we're going to use to log into our pager. And there we have it. Alright, and just like before, we're going to click on payloads, go up to reconnaissance, and then go down to Loki. Start. And there we go. Now we can actually see we still have Captain Plunder, Bjorn, Clown Sack, and Sir Hax-a-Lot. But we're going to click start. Give him a second to boot up. Alright. So I don't know if you can see it too good, but he is green with a purple background. There we go. All right, and that's it for today's video. Now, hopefully everybody using Linux can put Loki on their page a little bit more easily. And again, a huge shout out to Zombie Joe and Brainphreak for pulling this project together. If it wasn't for them, none of this would be possible. All right, and we are actually about to reach 10,000 subscribers, guys. I just want to say thank you so much. I never thought that this would happen. You guys are the best.